Hello and welcome to the unboxing of my Fender Special Run Squier Telecaster Bullet. Not much else to say really, hope you enjoy. Stick around to the end, I've got a bit of a sound demo. Nothing special, I'm not much of a guitarist, but it gives you an idea of what the guitar sounds like. In all honesty, whilst unboxing this, I'm not filled with too much confidence. I don't think that this guitar was boxed up properly. If it was double boxed, maybe it might give me a bit of confidence, but it looks like it wasn't put in with much thought or effort, to be fair. Too much opportunity for damage to occur, I think. Switches feel adequate. The knobs turn like they should. Doesn't feel like a Fender, but feels okay. So this is it. Just giving you a little rundown of what it is. I really like the look of the fingerboard, to be fair. It's not rosewood, it's pale ferro or something, but it looks alright. This is the backside. Nothing special really. I did notice that little indiscrepancy in the neck, little brown spot. I noticed that I have a few niggles. When you run your hand around the back, this bit of rosewood is sticking out a bit. Not good. Also, these ferrules on the back are not seated in the body properly. Some of them are sticking out a bit proud, and you can see where it's affected the paintwork around them. I'm not impressed or happy with that. I don't know, man. Another niggle that I've got is this little chip paint on the neck pocket. It looks like it was, I don't know how that could have been damaged, but I don't like that. I expect better. This string ferrule has been pushed into the body, probably because of bad packing, and this string tree is actually damaged. This is what we got in the box. Some paperwork saying welcome to Fender and some Allen keys. In all fairness, I'm not really happy with the damage, etc. that I received on this guitar. I know it's a cheap guitar and people say you should expect that kind of thing, but I've had many cheap guitars. I've traded many cheap guitars, and this is just not something I expect to see on a brand new product. Anyway, we're going to see how it plays, listen to some sound examples, and hopefully you get an idea of what the guitar sounds like. As I said before, I'm not much of a guitar player, but I do want to give you some insight into the different variations of tones you can get from this. this is my new Telecaster. It sounds like a Tele, obviously not so Fenderish, but it still has the chime and the twang you're looking for at a cheap price. When I was playing, I did notice that behind the nut you can hear the strings ringing out. This is a common thing on these bullets. I plan to rectify it by putting in an extra string tree. I'm also going to sand down the neck where the skunk stripe is sticking out a bit. But yeah, thanks for watching my video and watching my little review. That's it for now. I'm going to try to put out a few more videos as soon as.